Today I will show you how to make white t-shirt with decoration. This is our decoration made in Irish lace technique. We divide our work on some parts. Firstly, I pin the ready project on the t-shirt. Then I paint butterflies on the t-shirt. After that, I will pin ready elements. You should iron the ready picture. Then you should sew small elements such as berries and beads. For work you need cotton t-shirt, the ready project made in Irish lace technique. How to make it you can find in tutorial 50 of Irish lace lessons. Cotton yarn, pin, scissors, crochet hook, scissors. Let's begin the work. I take white t-shirt. I put my t-shirt on the mat. Now I pin the ready project on the t-shirt. Now I pin it. Then I sew the project to the t-shirt. In this case, I will use two colors of yarn, white and gray. I fix this part of the project. Let's make the picture. Now I painting the butterfly. I work with pencil. The first butterfly is ready. Now let's turn the work upper part. As you can see, I have already made the butterfly and I did one more butterfly on the back side. After that, I can paint the butterfly. As you can see, under the t-shirt I put the plastic. As you can see, I have already made the butterfly in colors. In this case, I used gray color of yarn with black. After the painting, you should leave the t-shirt for some time. When you can realize that you are painting, you should iron the t-shirt. And after that, I sew ready elements such as berries and beads. Then you should make in the same way upper part of the t-shirt and back side. Let's take a look at the back side. This is the back side of the t-shirt. Today we have learned how to make beautiful summer t-shirt with decoration made in Irish lace technique. For this project we used ready project, painting, ready elements, crochet hook, scissors, threads for sewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.